important it is to start the CAT examination VARC planning from now. We understand that we have crossed almost 3 months now and we are in the middle of March. But we have also promised you that we will be completing the entire syllabus by July or August so that you have the ample amount of time to complete the entire syllabus by November and practice the mock tests that are available on the platform. So today here I am to speak about CAT 2025 full verbal explanation, and in this video I'll be speaking about the topics, those are main topics, plus the subtopics that you need to understand in between those, because these are important for you to clear the VARC part of the CAT section. And please understand, this is a very strategic examination that you need to deal with a very smart approach. This will happen over the night. This has to have practice, this has to have patience, and this has to have motivation of completing the entire syllabus in the given amount of time. So if we are starting today, we need to understand that what are the main parts of the VARC. In VARC, the RC, the reading comprehension, is almost covered in the entire paper with the percentage of 70. So 70% weightage is of RC, and you need to very well equipped be with all these scenarios where you have these kind of questions that actually test your ability of understanding the entire passage. So today here I am to speak about the reading comprehension and its subtopics. So all these topics that I have written over here comes under reading comprehension. You just need to have an idea about informative passage or factual passage that we also call it. These are based on history, science, economics, and moreover related to social economic. Now there are also opinion based argumentative passages that deal with author's opinion, requiring tone and inference analysis. So in these topics I'll be also explaining about the tone structure, the style structure, what the author is trying to convey through his passages. The philosophical passages are very important. All these passages comes from an idea of the author. He is explaining something that he is feeling throughout, or maybe his life history, or something that is philosophical. This is an abstract and tricky, and also tests your knowledge and thinking about the logical interpretation, how well you can interpret the entire passage in a go. Now literary story based passages, these are also important, but usually doesn't come in the CAT passage. We have not seen it in the previous examination, but we need to get prepared with all these kind of passages topics so that whenever these kind of questions are thrown upon us, we are able to deal about it. Extracted from novels, biographies, etc. So when I was preparing for CAT examination, I thought that where should I start with, because I had 11 to 10 months to have my preparation on time. I thought of taking the novel first, or reading the articles, or taking the vlogs. I was confused, but you know what, you do not need to have the ability to complete the entire novel and read 200 novels at a time. You can be a good reader, you can have articles at a go, you can have various websites where you can go and visit the latest article, the latest current affair news. All these reading habits will actually move you to this reading comprehension passage that you can solve with a very nice flow. Now business and economic passages are very, very important. So this is one of the most important topic recently, and I would suggest that if you are preparing from now, you should have an eye on the business and economic passages, because the business keeps changing, the economic keeps rotating. You need to have an idea कि current affair में क्या चल रहा है, or the static GK is also important. So you need to have a reading habit of the newspaper, and I would suggest that do it online, because you can if you like the topic, if you like the headline, you can just copy paste it and keep it in your notepad. That is important. Now you need to read about finance, stock markets, startups, business strategies, etc. So these should come under your business and economic passages. Type of passages that you are actually doing for CAT examination. Science and technology passages, I do a lot of science and technology passages, be it AI, BI, DeepSeek that I have recently done, and for the recent examination that I'm making the students prepare, I am taking these topics because I know that the market is hot right now, and they would suggest or can give questions from the quantum physics and medical, innovative, etc. technology, what is going on in the recent environment and all of that. Now last but not least, social and political issues passage. Now you see a pattern. All these topics are coming from the thing or the article that you read in a newspaper. So if you are in a habit of reading the newspaper daily, and that is why I always say read. This will make you in a habit of reading various type of passages, having an idea about various kind of scenarios, and articulating that what can happen next. This is also very important. So in some cases, there is open-ended discussion that is left to the passage, and in some scenarios, there's a close-ended, ending basically in the passage. So you need to identify those as well. And when you're having a social and political issue passage, that is a debate altogether, and you need to have an eye ki abhi recently us topic pe kya chal raha hai. If you have the idea of the issue or the current situation that is going on, you can actually answer those questions in the factual based also. It has to be fact based. You do not understand the entire passage, still you can answer the questions, and that is important because 70% of the weightage is given to RCs. Okay, this is important. Please have an eye about government policies, laws, current affairs, etc. Okay, now this was about reading comprehension. Let's go to the verbal part. Now 30% of the VARC section has these topics that needs to be covered very rigorously. All these topics may look very easy, but they are not easy. They are tricky, they confuse you, they can also take out the maximum amount of effort from your skills and your knowledge. But you have to understand that you need to have a sentence correction ability. Okay, you have to have logic and you have to have verbal reasoning while solving para-jumble, which is sentence rearrangement, where you are given a jumbled up paragraph and you need to form a coherent paragraph from that. Unordered sentences to be arranged logically. Both MCQ based and theta type questions are from para-jumbles, so you need to have para-jumbles very strong. And I have been doing para-jumbles very cleverly, very smartly. I can teach you all the tricks and hacks. You just need to comment down and tell me that you are a CAT aspirant, and I would love to have interaction with you and then teach you about para-jumble and make you ace CAT 2025. Okay. Para summary, which is also critical reasoning. So filling in the most appropriate summary of the paragraph requires understanding core messages and eliminating elaborate details. Odd one out is also a section which is logical sentence arrangement coming from the para-jumble section. If you are preparing for para-jumble, you can also solve odd one out. This is just like another para-jumbled, or jumbled up sentences. You just need to have an idea कि एक जो 5 सेंटेंस है वो कैसे एक पैराग्राफ फॉर्म कर रहा है, और वो जो एक सेंटेंस है that doesn't align with the entire paragraph. You need to identify that out. That is easy, but you need to have the strategy beyond it. Okay. Sentence completion and filling the blanks both situates in the same thing. Recently, there was no sentence correction figure. Filling the blanks was usually used, but we have seen that both these topics have not come in the past years. Para-jumble was not preferred this year in 2024. It only came in slot 2, and we saw that there was a very down rating of para-jumble this year. So we are expecting it this year, 2025, that we'll be seeing para-jumbles questions on a heavy basis. Now, choosing the correct word phrases to complete a sentence. Vocabulary based question, which is indirect vocabulary testing. Here you have synonym and antonyms and word usage in different contexts. So as I said, that when I was preparing, I thought, pehle kya उठाऊं? Norman Lewis की book उठाऊं, Word Power Made Easy. वो उठाऊं कि सारे वोकैबुलरीज पढ़ डालूं. वोकैबुलरीज इन्फिनिटी है, हम उस पर ध्यान नहीं दे सकते हैं. What we can do is that we can at least practice 15 to 20 word every day, and then we can practice this on a regular basis, revise this on a regular basis. So I would recommend you that you should have a diary in which you should write all the words that you're coming through as a new word, or even a older word that you have seen somewhere but you remember it, you don't know the meaning, you just take out the meaning and keep it in the book, and you revise it daily. So when you revise it daily, when you come across all those words in a regular pattern, you will have that in your short-term memory, and it won't be difficult, or it won't take time for your short-term memory to turn into a long-term memory, and all those words will be in your dictionary over here. Okay. That's important. So these are the topics that we need to cover for CAT 2025. Anything else that you want to know from me, anything else that is bothering you about CAT 2025, I am here to solve. My name is Juhi Priya and I'm a CAT VARC educator. I teach VARC in a very, very interactive manner and a very joyful, playful manner. So if you are wondering which batch to choose, this is the batch that you can actually enroll yourself. This is the Foundation Builders batch. Starting, this has started recently, and it is only at the price of 16,999, 2,000 se bhi kam hai. And whatever batch for all these, the entire 1 year that you will be seeing will be dedicated to you. Okay, you can choose any of the batches. These are the full coverage that you will be getting: mock test, GDPI, one-to-one interaction, all of that. Okay. And there's also a free live workshop that is happening on 22nd March at 5 p.m. Amit Arora sir will be taking the workshop. The link is in the description. You can go and click it. Thank you so much for watching. And if you have any doubt,